Say hello to Solder, the sleek and intelligent soldering station designed for modern creators. It heats up lightning fast and gives you precise temperature control at your fingertips. The magnetic tip holder and sleep mode ensure safety and energy efficiency every time. Its stylish touchscreen interface makes it feel like a gadget from the future. Whether you're fixing electronics or building new prototypes, Solder never misses a beat. Compact enough for your desk, powerful enough for any serious soldering challenge. Built with premium materials, it's a blend of design and durability that truly stands out. This is not just a tool, it's your ultimate soldering partner in every build. For makers who demand precision and style, Solder delivers both perfectly. This handheld sander is built for clean finishes and pure sandy control in tight spots. Its ergonomic design lets you work longer without wrist strain or finger fatigue. Whether it's drywall patches or furniture prep, it makes every surface silky smooth. The tool's sandpaper clamping system grips tight. No sliding, no tearing, no trouble. Perfect for corners, edges, and detailed work where machines just can't reach. Compact, durable, and ready to work, it fits right in any tool collection. It's manual power with professional precision, minus the noise or dust clouds. Ideal for painters, woodworkers, and weekend warriors looking for top results. This sander proves sometimes the simplest tools get the cleanest job done. Edge Forge is a miniature beast of a lathe, delivering industrial-grade precision in your palm. Engineered for metal, wood, or plastic, it spins and shapes with clean consistency. Its all-metal frame gives rock-solid support even during high-torque cutting. Speed control is fully adjustable, so you can fine-tune performance for any project. Craft gears, models, or custom parts, all with razor-sharp detail and stability. Compact, but not compromised, it transforms your workspace into a high-end machine shop. It's perfect for hobbyists, engineers, watchmakers, and series makers alike. Build, modify, or perfect your creations without bulky industrial machines. For pro-grade results in a tiny package, Edge Forge sets the bar high. Painting curves and corners just got an upgrade with the Wile 2 laser spray gun. This electric marvel uses laser guidance for picture-perfect spray precision. It atomizes paint evenly with minimal overspray, keeping your finish flawless. Adjustable pressure and multiple nozzles let you adapt to any surface or job. Spray chairs, walls, helmets, or anything curved with smooth and even layers. It's lightweight, super quiet, and easy to handle for extended painting sessions. The laser line keeps your stroke straight, even on rounded edges or tricky angles. Whether you're a pro or weekend renovator, this gun makes your work shine. Paint smarter, faster, and cleaner with a laser-focused approach to finishing. Demolish old popcorn ceilings without the dusty chaos using Popeyes Pro. It scrapes cleanly while collecting debris straight into a bag. No mess, no fuss. The wide blade sits flush to avoid gouges and keep surfaces damage-free. Just attach it to an extension pole and reach ceilings without a ladder. Great for homeowners, renovators, or contractors looking to save time. Built tough yet lightweight, it handles large jobs without wearing you out. No more falling flakes or hours of cleanup, just smooth, fast removal. Perfect for turning outdated ceilings into modern, fresh finishes. Effortless, efficient, and essential for clean renovation projects. The Shepok TB94 is more than a toolbox. It's a fully portable workstation powerhouse. Packed with a professional-grade ratchet set and precision components, it's job site ready. The toolbox unfolds into a stable workspace, giving you structure wherever you are. Smart internal compartments keep your tools organized, accessible, and protected. Every ratchet and socket is built tough for high-torque, heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're in a garage, workshop, or on-site, this kit adapts instantly. Strong, durable, and ready to roll. It's designed for techs who work fast and clean. No more hauling scattered tools. This station brings order to the chaos. For power, portability, and precision, the TB94 is the ultimate upgrade. Cable pulling just became faster and easier with the CBS duct rod pusher. Built for speed and control, it powers duct rods through long conduits with ease. Whether underground or overhead, it eliminates the hard physical labor of pushing. The heavy-duty frame ensures stability, even on rugged outdoor terrain. With adjustable speed and torque, it adapts to different cable sizes and duct paths. The motorized feed system keeps tension smooth, steady, and safe. Perfect for utility crews, telecom installers, and anyone running fiber or cable. Save your strength for connections. This tool takes care of the grunt work. Efficient, rugged, and field proven for demanding infrastructure projects. Blast debris away with unmatched force using the Milwaukee MX Fuel Backpack Blower. Engineered for pros, it packs insane power without the noise or fumes of gas engines. The MX Fuel battery delivers consistent, long-lasting performance with zero downtime. With push-button start and variable speed, you stay in control at every job site. The padded backpack harness keeps it balanced and comfortable during long shifts. It's perfect for clearing construction dust, leaves, or worksite debris in seconds. Built tough like all Milwaukee tools, it thrives in rough commercial environments. Silent, strong, and built for the future of cordless outdoor tools. When you want serious air power on your back, this is it. The Spark FireFiber Fusion Splicer is the precision tool that fiber techs swear by. With lightning-fast alignment and fusion time, it gets your network up in no time. It delivers ultra-low splice loss with next-level consistency and reliability. Perfect for FTTH, LAN, and data center applications with high-speed demands. The rugged design holds up under field pressure, dust, and vibration. Touchscreen operation and intuitive menus make it super easy to learn and use. You'll splice with pinpoint accuracy, even in harsh environments. Whether on the pole, in the trench, or inside a cabinet, this tool performs. Serious fiber jobs demand serious splicers, and SparkFire leads the way. Meet the ultimate lifting tool. Powerbuilt's 6,000-pound Unijack combines jack and stand in one. No more crawling with separate tools. This genius unit lifts and supports safely in seconds. Built for trucks, SUVs, and off-road rigs, it's as rugged as the vehicles it lifts. It features a wide base for maximum stability and a locking safety bar for peace of mind. The hydraulic action is smooth, strong, and easy to pump with minimal effort. With a lift range up to 21 inches, it tackles even lifted or oversized ride. Ideal for tire changes, repairs, or field recovery in extreme terrain. Compact enough to toss in the trunk, but strong enough for serious jobs. A true game changer for off-roaders, mechanics, and heavy-duty drivers alike. Stack Lock and Roll with the tough-built StackTech lockable drawers. Pure modular muscle. These drawers snap together like a fortress, keeping your tools organized and secure. Heavy-duty construction means they can handle the bumps and bruises of daily job site use. With customizable trays and dividers inside, everything has a perfect place. The locking system clicks in tight, so nothing shifts during transport. Rollers glide smoothly even when fully loaded with tools or gear. Whether you're in the workshop or on the move, StackTech keeps things dialed in. No more messy toolboxes or lost bits. It's structure, style, and storage in one. Tough Built brings serious efficiency to the modern tradesperson's workflow. Cut clean, perfect holes in metal studs with the Greenlee manual metal stud punch. This handheld powerhouse delivers clean shears without warping or denting the stud. No batteries, no noise, just precise leverage and engineered efficiency. The compact design fits easily into tight framing corners or awkward angles. Its forged steel jaws are built to punch through with minimal force required. Ideal for running wiring or conduit through walls like a pro. Save time, save effort, and skip the grinder or drill mess. Electricians and HVAC pros swear by its simplicity and speed. It's the no-nonsense tool that just gets the job done right. Meet the Runpotec XB500, your best friend for unrolling cable like a total pro. This cable drum roller handles spools up to 800 millimeters with zero tangles or snags. It rotates freely and evenly, keeping your wires smooth, straight, and uncoiled. No more lifting heavy drums or manually feeding stiff cable off the reel. The anti-slip rubber feet keep it stable even on rough or uneven floors. Made from high-grade polycarbonate, it's tough, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant. Perfect for data cabling, electrical work, or any wire installation project. It saves your back, your time, and your patience in one smart design. For clean cable pulls every time, XB500 rolls out the pro performance. The Bulltech Power Tool brings 24 volts of relentless strength in a compact cordless body. Built for versatility, it tackles drilling, driving, and fastening with unstoppable torque. The ergonomic grip keeps it balanced and comfortable during extended work sessions. Smart LED lights illuminate your workspace even in tight or dim areas. A fast-charging battery and brushless motor mean more work and less downtime. Ideal for contractors, mechanics, or makers who need a go-anywhere power solution. The magnetic bit holder and built-in belt clip add extra job site convenience. It's tough, efficient, and engineered to perform day after day. This is the multi-tool muscle your toolbox has been waiting for. Pipe welding just got smoother with the DWT hydraulic external cage clamp. This heavy-duty clamp aligns pipes perfectly before and during welding. Its hydraulic system applies steady, even pressure for flawless circular alignment. Built for large diameters, it wraps around pipes like a cage and locks in place. The structure is robust, adjustable, and designed to take job site punishment. Fast setup saves hours of manual adjustments and retack welds. Whether in the field or in shop, this clamp boosts accuracy and efficiency. It's a go-to tool for pipeline fabricators, welders, and pipe fitters. Strong, reliable, and precise, it takes the guesswork out of alignment. This three-piece set from Powerbuilt is the ultimate pry bar upgrade for serious muscle and control. Each bar features a 14-position indexing head, walking securely where you need it. Twist, pop, or pry in tight spots without compromising strength or leverage. Heavy-duty steel shafts and ergonomic grips give you max torque with comfort. Perfect for suspension work, demolition, engine repairs, or panel removal. The set includes small, medium, and long bars to cover all your tasks. These aren't your grandpa's pry bars. They're engineered for precision force. With quick angle adjustment, no job is too awkward or tight. Pop it, bend it, or twist it. Powerbuilt brings the power to pry right. Say goodbye to broken rings and busted knuckles with the Aries Piston Ring Compressor Kit. Designed for smooth, stress-free piston installs into engine blocks of all kinds. The adjustable band and ratcheting design apply perfect, even compression. Made from high-quality carbon steel, it handles repeated use without warping. You'll get fast, tight seals with zero risk of damage to pistons or cylinders. Great for rebuilders, tuners, or any serious gearhead working on performance engines. Compact and organized in a blow-molded case, it's garage-ready at all times. No more frustration, no more hammers, just a clean slide into place. This kit turns engine builds into buttery smooth mechanical magic. When you need pure demolition power, the MP Motok 375 brings the earthquake. This pneumatic hammer hits with serious force to break concrete, asphalt, or rock. Designed for industrial-grade jobs, it powers through the toughest materials with ease. Its lightweight magnesium housing reduces fatigue without sacrificing strength. The anti-vibration grip keeps you in control even through long hours of hammering. Built for contractors, road crews, and heavy-duty demo professionals. This isn't just a tool, it's controlled destruction in your hands. Hook it to your compressor and let it tear the site down fast. When you need extreme results, Motok 375 answers with pure muscle. Running wire just got a whole lot smarter with the S-Class Blue View fish tape. Built for pros, its glow-in-the-dark housing and blue tracer tape make routing a breeze. The smooth polymer jacket glides effortlessly through tight conduit or bends. It resists kinking, memory, and friction so you can work faster with fewer snags. Durable, flexible, and ridiculously easy to reel in and out of the case. The reinforced leader hooks onto wire securely without damage or slips. Perfect for residential, commercial, or data cable runs in any setting. When speed and accuracy matter, this fish tape gets it done clean. Bright, tough, and built to hustle, ideal means business. Bend pipe with precision and ease using the Greenlee 1800 mechanical bender. It's fully portable, incredibly rugged, and perfect for electrical conduit bending. The ratcheting handle multiplies force, making 90s and offsets feel like butter. With multiple shoes included, it handles a range of pipe sizes with total control. Built for harsh job sites, it stands up to dirt, drops, and heavy daily use. No power needed, just you, leverage, and some serious bending power. Perfect for electricians who want fast, repeatable bends without fancy machines. It delivers pro-level results without burning a hole in your budget. Greenlee keeps it simple, strong, and ready for the field. That's a wrap on the coolest tools today. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.